In a magical forest, there was a group of adorable animals including lions, tigers, and other cute creatures. They all lived together peacefully, helping each other and creating a harmonious forest community. Among them, there was a rhinoceros named Thunder who was the strongest animal in the forest. With his thick skin and sharp horns, Thunder was admired by the other animals. However, he often wandered alone, appearing grumpy and easily getting upset with his forest friends. One day, something unusual happened. Thunder suddenly became extremely angry and started causing chaos in the forest. He roared loudly and began destroying trees and rocks. The lions and tigers thought about stopping him, but they were intimidated by Thunder's strength and decided not to intervene. The other animals were confused and scared, not knowing how to calm Thunder down. Just then, a flock of tiny birds flew into the forest. These birds had colorful feathers and sweet voices, and they were known as the peacekeepers, the guardians of the forest. The peacekeepers flew towards Thunder and started singing beautiful songs about love and peace. As Thunder listened to their melodies, his anger began to subside, and he stopped his destructive behavior. The little birds landed on Thunder's back and started pecking at the ticks that were bothering him. These tiny parasites were causing discomfort and making Thunder even more irritable. Thunder was amazed by the birds' actions and realized that even small creatures like them could be of great help. After the birds had finished removing the ticks, Thunder felt a sense of calmness he hadn't experienced before. He thanked the birds and apologized to the other animals, promising to control his temper. News of this incident quickly spread throughout the forest, and all the animals admired the wisdom and kindness of the little birds. They were inspired by the birds' spirit of cooperation and began working together to create a more friendly and harmonious forest. The little birds became the forest's guardians, flying through the trees every day and spreading joy with their songs and beautiful feathers. The other animals were grateful for their presence and considered them a precious gift. This story teaches us that even the mightiest individuals need the help and care of others. Small creatures can have great power if we offer our assistance and support. By embracing the spirit of the little birds and treating others with kindness and compassion, regardless of their size, we can create a world filled with peace, love, and happiness. Let's learn from the birds and approach others with love and kindness. Every animal, big or small, deserves our respect and care. Together, we can build a beautiful world, where cuteness and harmony prevail.